Hey YouTube, Mark Stevenson here. After doing a little research online about how to resolve panic attacks and general anxiety, I stumbled on the Panic Away package. I thought I will share some of my findings with you and hope it helps you guys out. The Panic Away system uses a natural and holistic approach to quickly eliminate anxiety and panic attacks permanently. A former anxiety sufferer himself, author Barry McDonald, discovered a way that cured himself from all of his anxiety and panic attacks. And since then, he's dedicated himself to helping others from relieving and eliminating their attacks for good too. Since Barry released the Panic Away system a few years ago, more than 40,000 people to date have been able to successfully get rid of their panic attacks and anxiety permanently. As the popularity of the success of the Panic Away package grew, Barry managed to get the attention of some top medical professions, such as Dr. Alasdair MacDonald. So let me first tell you a bit what you actually get from the Panic Away system. First, of course, is the main manual itself. This is a 140-page Panic Away book that is delivered in PDF format. I'll tell you a little bit more about what specifically is contained within the book in just a moment. You also get access to 3 video lessons and 2 audio MP3s, the 21/7 Technique Live and the 21/7 Technique for Driving. $150 value coaching voucher for free coaching. This is one-on-one coaching with the author expert himself, and access to the member forum within 48 hours of signing up. There's an option to get a hard copy of the book and the videos if you so prefer. Not mandatory, of course, but just a personal preference. The hard copy of the book is actually quite small, so it's easy to keep with you if you wish to go down that route. Okay, so let's get back to the main book itself. The Panic Away book is broken up into 3 stages. The progressive stages will continue to reduce general anxiety and give fast relief from panic attacks. So by the end of the course, you will be empowered for total recovery and not just some coping technique that will temporarily assist with the problem. So stage 1, the application of the 21/7 technique. The 21/7 technique teaches you how to use 21 seconds countdown to stop your panic attacks and 7 minutes to reduce and eliminate your anxiety attacks gradually and completely. The other part of the Panic Away 21/7 technique is the Calm Recovery Treatment. The acronym stands for Community Support, Acceptance, Lifestyle Changes, and Meaning. Stage 2. Here you get to learn some very specific exercises that are designed to release calm back into the body and treat general anxiety. These exercises consist of both physical and mental exercises and don't take a lot of time nor energy to do. The physical exercises include breathing, diet, exercise, thought field therapy, and distraction. Stage 3. This teaches you all about sealing your recovery. The importance of this step is crucial. You can expect to have challenges as you start applying the techniques, and sometimes as you overcome those temporary challenges, you may falsely believe you're fully cured and then run back into problems again. So this stage actually teaches you precisely how to identify and celebrate a full recovery as opposed to a temporary victory, and then how to ensure it stays that way permanently. So here's a list of pros of the Panic Away package. The system has been on the market for years and has proven to successfully work for tens of thousands of people. As a holistic, natural approach, it doesn't require any medication, nor obviously have any potential side effects. The system is fast-acting and requires no tedious or hard work for it to be effective. You can eliminate panic attacks and anxiety for an extremely low cost compared to the expensive psychiatrist-psychologist fees that are typically ongoing. You get the personal coaching support from Barry himself. This is very rare for an expert to personally offer that level of personal support and a highly valued inclusion. There's also the option to get the physical copy of the book and videos if you so prefer. It's easy to follow and apply. The support ticketing system is actually quite decent. You always seem to get a reply within 24 hours. There's the access to the members forum where you can get support, care and direction from other people who are also going through the same challenges as you. Okay, and now to the cons I found with this package. This program is designed to successfully treat and stop panic attacks and eliminate general anxiety. If your anxiety is severe, this program is not for you. It most likely won't help. So, the Panic Away system does do what it claims, and given the level of personal support from both the expert himself, the general support ticketing system, and by the community forum area, you are never alone on the way to a permanent recovery. If you're not sure whether your level of anxiety could be categorized as severe, therefore this may not work for you, you can still try it out for yourself completely risk-free. The whole Panic Away package comes with a full 60-day money-back guarantee. This means you can actually try out the techniques outlined in the book and videos, and if you're not satisfied with what it teaches or you believe it doesn't work, just contact the support area to get a full refund. You really have nothing to risk or lose except your panic attacks and anxiety by trying out this program for yourself. So, to try the Panic Away system with a full 60-day money-back guarantee, just click the link below this video.